How do Whippets react to loud noises? Whippets, known for their agility and elegance, are often regarded as gentle and friendly dogs. However, when it comes to loud noises, these graceful creatures can display various reactions. In this article, we will explore how Whippets react to loud noises and offer some tips on how to help them cope with such situations. Whippets are a breed of sighthounds originally developed for hunting small game. Throughout history, their acute hearing played a crucial role in their hunting abilities. This sensitivity to sound can fuel their reactions to loud noises in the present day. It is important to understand that each Whippet is unique and may react differently to various stimuli. One common reaction among Whippets when exposed to loud noises is fear or anxiety. Thunderstorms, fireworks, or even household appliances can trigger these reactions. Whippets may exhibit signs of distress such as shaking, panting, drooling, and attempting to hide or seek comfort from their owners. Some dogs might also become hyperactive or display destructive behavior in an attempt to escape from the noise. To help Whippets cope with loud noises, it is essential to create a safe and comforting environment for them. One effective method is to establish a designated safe space where they can retreat to when they feel overwhelmed. This could be a designated room with their bed, toys, and familiar scents. The goal is to create a comforting atmosphere that alleviates their anxiety. Another technique to help Whippets is gradual desensitization. This involves exposing the dog to the noise in a controlled and safe manner, starting with a low volume and gradually increasing it over time. This enables the dog to become accustomed to the noise and reduces their fear response. However, it is crucial to proceed slowly and carefully, ensuring that the dog remains calm throughout the process. Positive reinforcement, such as treats or praise, can also be used to associate the noise with pleasant experiences. Noise-canceling devices or white noise machines can be beneficial in reducing the impact of loud noises. These devices produce background sounds that help mask the sudden noises that might unsettle Whippets. Classical music or calming sounds can also be played to create a soothing ambience to counteract the effects of loud noises. Seeking professional help from a veterinarian or animal behaviorist is recommended if a Whippet's reactions to loud noises become severe or are impacting their quality of life. These experts can provide specialized guidance and may recommend certain medications or therapies to alleviate the dog's anxiety and fear. It is important for Whippet owners to remain calm and composed during episodes of loud noises. Dogs can sense their owner's emotions, and displaying a confident and reassuring demeanor can help reassure the dog and lessen their reaction to the noise. Additionally, distracting the dog with engaging toys or activities can redirect their attention away from the noise. In conclusion, Whippets may exhibit various reactions when exposed to loud noises. Fear and anxiety are common, and each dog may respond differently. However, by creating a safe environment, implementing gradual desensitization techniques, and seeking professional help if necessary, Whippets can learn to cope with and overcome their fear of loud noises. Patience, understanding, and empathy are key to helping these graceful creatures navigate through moments of distress.